Where do
Sister,
you...
Catherine, you need to, Amor, you need to come to England and live with me. Stay here.
Yes, sister, I will go to your country.
Yes, you can come live with
Because
me.
my country is borrow in China seahorse. She's a
Yes, you come live
fighting
with
each
me and take
other.
care of me.
Okay, I will take care of your husband and you will take out yourself.
You
With
can
your baby.
take care of him. You can have him.
No, sister,
If you want to,
I will
Luke.
take care of your husband and you will take out with your baby.
Yes, okay, I agree.
Okay.
You can
I
have
am
him.
the change card.
Okay.
Thank
It's
you.
okay for you?
Wife swap. So can I have your boyfriend?
Okay, okay, sister.
Mag-skip na yun. Skip.
Exchange gift.
Coco,
Filipino.
where you locate? Ano yun?
Where did you dislocate, Coco?
Where did I dislocate?
Where did you locate your arms and feet?
Where did you dislocate your country?
Where did you locate your arms and feet?
In England.
In
Near
England.
Manchester.
My son, Coco is living in England, where the Queen is living there
In England.
in England.
Yes, in England, like the UK, like Birmingham.
In UK.
We are
Dapat
sorry,
ganyan-
Coco, because the English is limited. Only 10 per day.
Ganyan din dapat ang English natin. May tuno.
Oh my God,
Right, so
me,
what that
my
means.
English is assorted.
Paano, Nay? Paano
Assorted.
dapat English natin?
Kagaya sa kanya. You're living in England. Yung medyo paos.
Pataas.
Pataas.
May
No,
pasma.
sister, you know the Queen, sister, the Queen is Comatose.
What house?
The Queen in England, she's Comatose.
Oh.
Oh, really? Oh, that's sad. Bad news.
What did you do?
Yes, I didn't do anything.
She's comatose,
Oh, you
sister.
did. Okay.
What happened to the Queen of England? Coco?
Oh, yes.
She's not here anymore.
Oh,
Kinagat ng aso?
we don't know that.
Why inject anti-rabies? She is animal.
She's not here anymore.
What?
Oh.
She's
So now we have King.
good.
Parang magniro. Wala na mo talaga naiintindihan.
Hindi siya kinagat ng aso.
Oh, okay. Kinagat ng...
Tawa lang.
Sister! You...
Di ba
Yeah.
nag-abot sila? Di ba? Di ba nag-abot sila mo to?
Oh, yes, Luke.
Oh, sorry. I'm wrong way.
Sister, what was that?
What was that?
When you had lots of photos, pictures, you had your makeup done. What was that for?
Oh, really? Can you repeat?
So, remember last year,
Oh, last...
you had
Okay.
makeup and hair, princess. Did you have awards?
Oh, repeat again, sister. It's passed away my mind. Sorry,
Oh, I
I'm
can't remember the name of it.
Change
Did
topic,
you-
sister.
Did you have Miss Universe last year?
Yes, I'm joining Miss Universe.
Yes.
I have a award, most behaved.
Parang hindi totoo yan. Sa most behave. So,
Oy,
dami na
totoo
sinabi
kaya.
na Maganda to din.
Most
3 minutes na lang
behave.
to.
Ayaw mo maniwala,
Miss Bahag.
manalo ko, most behave. Kaya di man ako nakasagot ng question.
Wala pa tayong 3 minuto, bumula na yung bibig mo talaga.
Most Behaved Award. I don't believe you behaved, you naughty.
Yes.
Hey, Bricks, do you know anybody from England?
Is Fernando po from England? No.
You have any friends in England, Bricks?
Oh, no, I'm not friendly anymore.
Not friendly.
Not friendly. Just Alimir na in Miss Catering.
Yes.
Oh, so on TikTok, do you battle different people?
What?
Yes, because Brex is
Very
online
famous.
salsa.
Hindi. Yes.
Grace is very famous in the Philippines.
Yes, very famous.
She is an online seller. She sell everything.
Oo, she's online, any kind of organic object.
Guys, I can't keep up with the comments, to be fair. They're going too fast.
Ano daw? Napagod ito.
Sister, I think they're being rude in my comments.
No, it's not road because the comment section is first in, first out. So that's why we are road trip together.
Yes.
Isa lang ba ang ating comment section? Iba-iba.
Everybody is saying that people are being very rude.
No worries, we don't get offended very
They being
fast.
basher.
You
No.
have to there?
Don't ano.
Don't read.
Don't remind them because you are more beautiful. And
No,
you are
the road comment don't tick in, tick out only.
Don't read.
Okay,
Don't
okay,
read comments.
okay.
When you
Just
see the comment, you will tick out. First
Don't mind.
in, first
look
out.
out.
Okay, I will not mind them.
When you see the comment, you sleep.
Okay, okay, okay.
Just focus on our face.
Okay.
Market, she is hyper. Okay,
Yes.
what kind of sing?
The
He
mangoes.
likes Twinkle Twinkle.
Okay. Okay. We are fine.
You sing what you like.
Okay. Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang kong tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kayo po na nakaupo, subukan mo ang tumayo. Awa na be a tutubi a twinkle star. How di karab. Sampalin mo yung bata, ang laki ng mata, oh. Tinititigan ako.
He said, no, not good.
Not good. Oh, kaya pala ang laki ng mata niya. Sampalin ko yan.
Wag! Wag!
Ay, di ba? Okay.
Flippy.
Nalilito na bata.
Parang ayaw
Ano
niya.
yung pinagsama-sama mo?
Parang hindi siya natuto.
Siya natuwa.
Baby,